With this reports flood. Chicago.
It keeps bringing up.
Here we go!
Oh no.
Black flood warning!
Oh no. Uh-oh.
Black flood warning!
Uh-oh.
Flash flood warning!
Uh-oh.
An ice jam break-in in central Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, west central Will County in northeastern Illinois, until 9 p.m. 23 p.m. Emergency man of Wilmington near Interstate 55 has broken up, causing flash flooding downstream. Hazard: flash flooding from an ice jam. Source: emergency management reported. Impact: flooding of areas near and downstream of the ice jam. The nearest downstream area is Felon Acres. Flood is occurring along the Kankakee River.
We got strobe activation.
May already be occurring. Along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways to take immediate precautions to protect life and property.
Right now.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles